Hey guys, Mark here. Welcome to Red Duchess Farm. Today, in between rains, I'm going to try to put together a grinder. I bought this grinder several years ago it'll grind corn or whatever for animal feed. There's an electric motor for it, and then it will have to have a jack shaft in the center with the big shiv on one end and this smaller shiv on the other end in order to slow the RPMs of the grinder down. So I will show you what we're doing there. I don't have a tripod today because Jamie has been gone the last 2 days shearing alpacas. She had 18 alpacas to shear, and she took the tripod this morning so she could get some video of that. So let me get the cutting and welding on this and I'll show you the progress. So I've got the straps that hold the motor welded down and the strap iron that holds the jack shaft welded down. So now I'm going to drill the holes to bolt the electric motor down, and then I need to drill the holes for these bearing housings to bolt this jack shaft down. And the whole point of the jack shaft is the motor turns 1725 RPMs. That's almost a 14-inch shiv, the big shiv there, going to probably a 4-inch. And what that will do is belt from the motor to the big shiv, and then on the other end of the jack shaft, the small shiv to the grinder. And I haven't ran the numbers exactly, but it's going to slow it down about 3 times. So instead of turning 1725 going to the grinder, this small shiv on the end of this jack shaft is going to be turning about 600, between 500 and 600 RPMs, and that will slow the grinder down significantly, because we don't want it to run real fast. So I'll go on to the next step and bring you back whenever we get that done. And here it is finished. The electric motor came off of an old heater from the old greenhouses. I bought absolutely nothing for this project. I bought the grinder several years ago for $100. Had the iron in the iron pile. Don't have the wiring done yet. And it's the next day, and I have shelled a 5-gallon bucket of corn, and so I'm going to show you the sheller. This one is not my great-grandfather's, but I still do have my great-grandfather's corn sheller. A hand crank sheller. It's got teeth here that shells the corn, and you just drop the ear in the top. The ear comes out clean. that's the way the old hand crank corn shellers work. Pretty simple, little bit labor intensive. So now we've got a 5-gallon bucket of ear corn shelled, and so we'll see how it goes with the new grinder. So let's see how the grinder works. The whole purpose of getting this grinder set up, taking you through it step by step and showing you the sheller, is we've got the 100 meat birds, and I opened a bag of meat bird feed on Friday evening, and yesterday evening, which was Monday, they had eaten a 50-pound bag of feed in 3 days, and they're 3 weeks old. So we've got this corn that we grow. It's an open pollinated Henry Moore field corn, and got a 1-row picker to pick it with, and so we can use it. We're gonna have to add some protein as a supplement to it, but out of a 5-gallon bucket of ear corn, a little more than a 5-gallon bucket because I added those ears I showed you I shelled, we wound up with this much ground corn. Haven't weighed it yet, but I will. And so that's what we're going to start feeding these meat bird chickens, and probably our laying chickens as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video on getting the build done on the grinder, and look forward to you coming back and visiting the farm again. Thanks for watching from Red Duchess Farm. Have a great day.